So I just had lunch at the Longhorn Grill, and that's the entrance, and there's the sign, and it's kind of a nice, interesting entranceway. And today's saguaro of the day is one of those two. This is in Amado, Arizona, which is along Interstate 19. Well, we'll pick this one right here. This is today's saguaro of the day. I'm guessing that's about 12 feet tall. And it's kind of your basic saguaro here. I had lunch here at the Longhorn Grill. I got a cheeseburger with sweet potato fries. So there you go. It's a great saguaro, as they all are. Love those spines. It's real pretty. It's not the most exciting saguaro of the day video, I will admit that. So, and this saguaro has a friend, this one on the left. All right. You know, after yesterday's video where the beast of all beasts, the triple crested one that I did, I was bound to have a kind of a letdown. But this guy, very ordinary, no arms yet. But this is today's saguaro of the day. Perhaps the more exciting highlight there are those horns for the entrance to the Longhorn Grill. Go check it out. The Longhorn Grill. There's the sign. And all right. Thank you for watching.